Ralf with Stray Benzes again. Today's topic is how to tighten the two belts on V8s for the power steering pump and the main vent fan. Here we go. Give me a like, forward the link to the video or the channel to other interesting characters out there in the scene of repairing and maintaining old Benzes. Thanks guys. Alright, so this fan belt started to squeal. It's a little bit too loose. So what you need is a 13mm socket and a 6mm Allen wrench. You loosen the tensioning. Well, actually one of the main holding bolts here that is located right there at the tensioning mechanism. And there is a end head bolt right here, which I'll show you is hidden behind the wiring here. Get to it here. There we go. You turn this thing clockwise. This one was pretty loose. Right. All right, so this one is actually pretty tight now. All right, after that you tighten up this screw here again, turn it clockwise and don't over tighten. Done. Fairly straightforward. So don't be afraid. Until next time, happy ranching.